This has been the reality of Benue people for a while now. This IDP camp was established since the period of His Excellency Governor Samuel Otom, and since then it has been housing more and more internally displaced persons. This is not politics, this is reality. And every one of us needs to understand that these people are living in hell. These are houses. These are houses where they live with their families. Each house belongs to a family.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. The mission of Nnamdi Kanu was simple. It was simple in the sense that after watching a video that someone sent to me yesterday about the IDP camps in Benue State, the person who was, blogging, videoing the IDP was saying that the IDP was set up during Otom time, Governor Otom, during Buhari administration, of which we are aware of that. But the issue here is that the IDPs are increasing. No hospital in the IDP, no food, nothing. People have been living under canopy for 10 years. And these people, some of them have upstairs before, some of them have beautiful houses before, but they were chased out of their ancestral land. They renamed their homes, they took over their homes, and the federal government of Nigeria allowed that to happen. They permitted that to happen, and they are not fighting back. Why? Because they want all these foreigners, that they should come into the country and help them carry out ethnic cleansing, so that at the end, the aim why they imported them will be actualized. It's nothing more than that. Now, today is 29th of April, being Tuesday, 2025. And I want to tell you this. The mission of Nnamdi Kanu is that this thing will not happen in Old Eastern region. Unfortunately, the detention of Nnamdi Kanu have caused some places in Enugu, in Ebonyi, and in so many places to, be prone to IDPs. That is the danger of the detention of Nnamdi Kanu that you are not seeing. Your governors are not seeing. You see, I did not say that your people should not play politics. So continue to play politics to the detriment of your people. Because as far as I'm concerned, all these things you people are doing, the democracy cannot even help Africa. Because Africa is not developed. All these things you people are doing like this, your people are dying. Your villages will be prone to IDPs. Your people are being killed. They can't plant. They can't harvest. This is holistic everywhere in Nigeria. I'm not talking about Yobe. I'm not talking about Sokoto. I'm saying holistic. Edo, Delta, everywhere, Anambra. Our bushes have been occupied. The naysage there. And people are still pumping the money. People who are in the top government positions, they are doing this. This was the mission of Nnamdi Kanu. After saying this, he said, no, Nigeria can never be sustainable. There is a need for a referendum. That was where the idea was bettered. Now, this was the same man, Nnamdi Kanu, who was even campaigning for one Nigeria before, that we need good governance in Nigeria before. But when he saw that these people in government are sponsoring terrorism against their people, he said, no. What Ojukwu saw before was valid. The reason why he went to Aburi to have an accord with Gowon that Gowon violated is valid. Now, before I go forward, I want you to just take a listen to the video of this IDP, and you will come to realize the danger of Nnamdi Kanu's detention.
The children, the IDP camp gathered behind me, and this IDP camp has been established since 2014. It is over 10 years and above now. This has been the reality of Benue people for a while now. This IDP camp was established since the period of His Excellency Governor Samuel Otom, and since then it has been housing more and more internally displaced persons. This is not politics, this is reality. And every one of us needs to understand that these people are living in hell. These are houses. These are houses where they live with their families. Each house belongs to a family. This is the water situation. There's actually no drinkable water here. Water is so difficult in this place. This mama says she has not been feeling fine for a long time now, and I want to talk to her. Mama, what's your and Mama, what is your name? My name is Shabi Igbendi. Gio Kahana. My place is Cambridge. How long have you been here? It's been long. I've lost count of the years, and there is no way I can go back to my home. Mama, Mama, are you feeling fine? Can you down with you? These old women, most of them are actually sick. They are feeling very, very sick. I've communed with them and they say they are not strong at all. Some of them need medical attention, but they cannot access good medicals as they are here currently now. I have spoken with their camp leader. This is their camp leader. Her name is Youna Ngunege. And she told me today that some of them had wanted to go back to their homes, or even as of today, the military base in Yanyin told them not to try it because the place is not safe. The Fulani headers are still there. Stay tuned as I bring you more of life-wrecking experiences that the headers or headmen has caused in our place. Thank you. Mama, what is your name? Tio Hana?
Hana.
Mahinama unuta yawo wewo dova luhena. Why have you left your home? I've been chased away by Fulani headers from my home. Ma unguhen kumeshen nana. How long have you been here? I've been here for a long time. I have lost count of the years. And they've chased me from my home. They are still there. There is no way to go back. Ma, what did you say happened to you? My female child. They killed my daughter. She went to the farm to look for firewood. She was apprehended by headers and butchered, slaughtered like an animal. These are her children. This is the IDP camp. I was actually interviewing the old women at the IDP camp in Nanyi, local government, and they were telling me their OD. Some of them are not actually feeling fine. They've been displaced from their ancestral home for over 12 years now, and there is no way they can go back to their places because of the headers are still there. They have not been resettled in their ancestral homes. They are suffering. This is proper suffering. These are the children in the IDP camp. Any local government area of Benue State. These are the children in the IDP camp. As you can see, the Fulani headers have displaced this one. They have not been to their homes for a long period of time. These are children in IDP camp. I visited the IDP camp in Anyi, local government area of Benue State, to assess the havoc that has been caused by the Fulani headers in Benue State, and the effect is so appalling. I want to appeal to well-meaning individuals out there, people of good hearts, people who are led by God, that we actually need to assist these people. they've been displaced from their ancestral home. Even as we speak, most of them are still not been able to go back to their ancestral places because the headers are still there and they are going through hell in this place. They need our assistance, they need our help. Their primary source of income or occupation is peasant farming, and if they cannot access their farmlands, there is no way they can farm and feed themselves or their families. The children in this IDP camp are not going to school. There are no medics. There is no medical attention. Some of them are very sick.
Now, I am not a prophet of doom. I am not saying this thing should happen in your village. But can you answer one question? Tell me why this thing will not happen in your village. Just tell me why these IDPs will not be in your village from now till a few years to come. Are you prepared? You see the reason why I continue to advocate for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. People don't know what is coming. They don't know. If they tell me that in my village that people can take gun and start hunting Fulani terrorists, I will not believe that. If they tell me in my lifetime that in my village in Delta State, you can notice that people will go to farm and never return back, I will not believe that. Who tell you that this thing will not come to your place? I'm just asking an honest question. Who tell you that this thing will not come to your place? It is coming to everybody. Until you rise up to do what is right. Don't let all these people deceive you. Don't let all these politicians deceive you. Okay? It is time for everyone to stand for what is right. If you speak the truth, you are going to die. If you did not speak the truth, you are still going to die. A lot of people who died today, some of them said, if I call them, can we have live session to explain what is going on in your village? Or can you do a video record voice for next people? No, I'm afraid. And the next attack, they say, oh, that guy is dead. So why are you afraid? Or for what benefit? What you're afraid of is killing you. For me, I just pray that Nnamdi Kanu will be released, because his release is going to address so many security issues. His release is going to address a lot of things. And I am hopeful about that in few weeks to come.